Alright, here's a third video that goes into the WEM stuff. So after you've created the WEM site and you open that site in the workspace, we just want to make sure it's okay. So I'm going to navigate to the workspace and go to my site. And then I'm going to preview it to make sure that the grid is working. So I see a warning, no page template, that's normal. But the important thing is I can see my in-context edit menu at the bottom, my tools palette. That's a good sign, and that looks great. And then I'm going to go back to the workspace and make sure that I'm able to go back to the workspace okay. So this allows me to go back and forth. So that's a good sign. That means everything is so far so good. Now we need to maybe take a look at our first template and get the template working. So I'm going to go to my presentation tab, to my page templates, and create my first presentation template. So I'll create a page template just like we always do and give it a nice name, RL Home. Scroll down, maybe set a thumbnail if there is one, if we want. That's kind of nice sometimes. In this case I can select our thumbnail that's already there. Then I can set the page type, and you've seen this before, so the site should be visible. There's my Ralph Lauren portal site. My menu item I want to use is going to be the home menu item. I don't have any layouts or themes yet, but I'm going to go to regions and add the regions. So right off the bat, I'm just going to create one region just to make sure everything works. And this will be our navigation region. And I like to put the names here so that I can reuse the regions across multiple sites if I want. This one is going to be locked, of course, it's navigation. I'm going to set the components, which of course are navigation. I'm going to set the content component later if I want to. I can hard code that. You can add blind text as well, targeting, but that's not really important for the moment. So I've added my first row. I'm going to look at page features, caching, advanced, everything looks fine there. Otherwise, I'm going to click Save and Close. So there's a template, and now let's go associate that template to our channel. So I'll go to my sites and connect that template to the channel. But before I do, what is really convenient, just to show you, you can share these. So I'm going to share it. You don't have to share it, it just makes it a little easier to use. So I'll share that to our website, our WEM site. And once it's shared, it does make it a little easier to use. So I'll go to Ralph Lauren, I'll go to Home, I'll edit my home channel. And in my page presentation, now I can do my associations with my formats. There's my web format. It's an active template association. And after sharing, you'll see the template right there in the list. Very convenient. I'll go ahead and set languages for my channel while I'm here. I'll set French and English. So this will be, English translated name, of course, we don't need that. The important thing here is it's active, and I'll save and add the other languages. Home. And I'll set my other languages I want to support. So, coil, and so forth, right? And that'll be active too. SEO, some kind of SEO information. Not required, but important. And I'll save that association to my home channel. And then I want to test it and see if I get any further. So I'll click Preview and see if it actually picks up that locked region. So there's the page. I don't get the error anymore. I go into page mode. I don't see anything yet. But it's locked, so I should see it in design mode. If I edit my template, I should see the region there, and I do. That's a good sign. And I should see it in page mode in the template, on the template tree. And I should be able to unlock it and refresh it here. So that seemed to check out, so I'll go ahead and leave my template and move on to the next section.